Today we're going to make our way to the Alvord Desert, which is in the southeast part of Oregon. I've never been there before. I'm pretty excited about that. But right now we're going to make our way back up over, it's called Hinckley Summit. Back over Hinckley Summit. Actually, it's Hinky, no L. Hinky Summit. And I'll show you a little bit of vid there, and then we're going to make our way to the desert. It's going to be great. Made it to the Alvord Desert. As you can see, it's pretty cool. There is not a lot at all in any direction. I'm just driving across a flat lake bottom. There's tire tracks going all kinds of different directions, but there's nothing. It's flat. It's like a mirror. It's really unique. It's beautiful. Dust devils here and there. It's not really windy. 57 degrees. Absolutely cool. Beautiful. Probably not a ride most people have done. I guess it's a ride. I'm riding. Yeah, it's a ride. It's like the opposite of single track. It's like it's an every track, all track. I like it. Kind of just pick a point on the horizon and ride toward it. So it's really interesting ride because there is nobody else here. There's nobody else out here. You could hear, if I was to stop riding, you could hear a pin drop. And it's really quite the amazing place. I mean, I don't think I've used my brakes yet. or change gears. Very little wind, pleasant, great place. Super unique. Decided to leave my helmet at camp because the surface, well, first of all, I'm not going to crash, but the surface has a little tiny give to it. I think the ground would have to literally open up and swallow me for me to need a helmet. But I did put on a sunscreen though. You need sunscreen. And I'm riding by GPS because everything looks the same. But usually on my Garmin there's features, there's marsh, lake, grass, trees, whatever. But it's just a blank screen with an arrow and a breadcrumb. Kind of got a landmark. Don't want to be wandering around out here aimlessly for a while, that's for sure. Got plenty of water. Wow, it's absolutely beautiful. So there are all these little sand drifts out here. Little mini sand dunes. Beach. On that side of the desert, there's dust devils. And they have been there since I have been here. I mean, they're obviously moving around, but that's been happening for hours and hours. And I'm not really sure what the phenomena is down there. It's obviously a wind current. It looks like the mountains kind of go slope down there, so it's wind current down there, but it's very, very unique. I seriously hope that they stay down there and don't come visit me, because this is like camping or cooking or sleeping with the windows or outside and a dust devil rolls by. Kind of wrecks your program a little bit. Little offshoot road off the desert. It's firm. Surface is firm. Pretty desolate. I like it. So as you can see, I've pretty much ridden myself into the middle of nowhere. There's nothing around, nobody. It's quiet. There's no contrails in the sky. This little dust devil over there. Pretty amazing to be the only person around. It's kind of an awesome feeling. Peaceful. I like it. Getting out of the Alvord Desert and going by Gaia, the closest way to the nearest highway or even paved road to get out of here 50-mile dirt road, which I'm on now. It's not the best dirt road I've ever been on, but the scenery is nice, and the traffic is low, very low. It's going to be a long ways to Boise, but it's okay. I got nowhere else to go right now, and I'm enjoying it. So here we go. So I've driven probably about 30 miles down this dirt road, and I've come across this, and it amazes me that it's obviously some sort of storefront, because it has a false facade on the front, on the top, and it's I can't really go to check it out because it says absolutely no trespassing. But what amazes me about this is when this was built, obviously along this dirt road, I don't know, I'm guessing it's probably mid 1800s, mid to late 1800s, and it's a leveled site here, so it was probably a town site of some sort. I do see some other debris around, but it was built on this dirt road, and it's still a dirt road, and it's still in the middle of nowhere. And I think it's really cool. I hope you do too. So this is kind of what I would consider almost the quintessential West. There's no fences. It's just wide open as far as you can see, and desolate. Very beautiful. It's too bad about the smoke in the air, because I'm quite sure you would be able to see quite a long ways. But it is really beautiful. Well, it looks like after 50 miles of gravel, beautiful scenery, there is Highway 95, pavement. I hope you've enjoyed my time in the Alvord Desert. Next stop is going to be Tamarack Resort and a little riding just outside of McCall, Idaho. Hope you can join me for that episode. Please subscribe if you enjoyed my videos. Thank you very much.